Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got a new radio for you. I got this radio on sale about a week and a half ago. Normally $25, it was $10 off. And the other thing that caught my eye was for shortwave, it has multiple bands for shortwave. So it takes the shortwave band and breaks it up in these little pieces so you can fine tune it. And there's 8 shortwave bands, also 2 FM bands, one for US and one for outside US, and an AM band. Does not have an MP3 player, does not have Bluetooth. It's the XHDATA model D-226. Now, I've tested a lot of XHDATA radios, and they've been pretty good radios. This one, well, let's talk about it. Comes in multiple colors, red, green, and black. I got the red. And the dial is, if you get it at the right angle, it's pretty easy to read. If not, it's a little difficult because the numbers are very small. And part of the numbers are in red, which kind of fades into the background. But not too bad. Here's the size. You can kind of see the size of it. It's bigger than the palm of your hand. Has a carrying strap. Over here we have the band select. So those are all the bands you can select. Headphone jack. On this side we have, in the middle, the volume on off. At the top, the tuning knob. And then down at the bottom we have the charging port. It has, and I'm going to open it up here, it has 2 sources of power. You can add your own batteries, 2 AA batteries, or it has a built-in battery, which I think is 1,000 milliamp hours. Let me put the cover back on. And right here, you select the power source, either AA's or the built-in battery. There's the bands. You can see shortwave is 5.6 to 22 megahertz. Not a bad looking radio. And like I say, if you get it the right angle, it's very easy to read the dial. Okay. Now, let's talk about performance. Number 1, and most important, now remember, it's normally $25 and it was on sale for $15. So, and right now, of course, it's back up to $25. So it's $25. It's a DSP radio and muting while tuning. And well, let's just try it. Let's just try it. Okay, let's turn it on. Whoop, we got music. Can't have that. Let's go to shortwave band 1, which goes from 5.6 to 6.4. So that's the thing that caught my eye. It's got these bands spread out, so you can kind of fine tune it. Now, let me see if I can get positioned here a little better, so you can see. I got a reflection. Oh well. Okay, now we can turn the volume up. The top of the band, about, let's go all the way to top 6.4. Okay, I'm getting some kind of interference in my office. Tuning is pretty smooth. Don't know if I'll get anything on shortwave this time of the. Oh, and the telescopic antenna, which will completely collapse. It's only about 12 inches. Pretty short for shortwave. I had something up here earlier this morning. No, can't get it now. But you can hear it. Put, muting while tuning. You know, I got some kind of interference. Yeah, I think it was at 5. Whoa, there we go. Well, there's something there. That kills the noise and the signal. So I did some tuning on the shortwave band at a better time of the day, and it did okay. It found about 4 or 5 of the strong stations in the United States, tuned them in pretty well, so it wasn't bad. FM was excellent. It picked up lots of stations on FM. AM was okay, not bad. But here comes the kicker. Let me go to AM, which is right there. That's AM. Watch out for music.
One NPR PBS Marist poll, younger adults ages 18 to 29 were the most likely, 60%, to say it's important for a partner to have shared political views.
It almost seems
the audio is a little tinny, especially when you're playing music. But I did connect some earphones and the audio was fine. So it's just the speaker is not very good. It's okay, but not very good. And it has a light. Look at that, it's got a light. That's about it. Oh, it's got a kickstand. I didn't realize that before. It has a kickstand. Now that, I'm impressed. It's got a kickstand. So when I got it for $15, I think it was a pretty good deal. If you use the earphones, especially for music. I couldn't tell if it was stereo or not, and there was nothing in the manual. Oh, let me show you what you get with it. It's in the box here. This is what you get with it. You get a charging cable, which is about 6 inches long, and you get a piece of paper, which is, that's it. That's the manual. Of course, it's straightforward. You don't need more than that, but that's the manual. So I would say $25, no. $15, yes. And it goes on sale. That's the one thing about Amazon. They put things on sale all the time. As a matter of fact, you might see something on sale and say, okay, I'm going to get that while it's on sale, and you're looking around at other things, and you get back to it, and it's not on sale anymore. You got to be pretty quick. So I like the looks of it, too. It's not a bad-looking radio. It's got a kickstand. Wow, I'm impressed. It's got a kickstand. I'm sorry. Those little things mean a lot to me. Anyway, if you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me I'm showing you things that you're interested in. Either way, you're interested that it's something good to get or something to stay away from. Again, $15, yes. $25, no. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. Have a great day. Bye-bye.